How to remove applications in Windows 10. Remove unused or unwanted applications on your HP computer to increase the space on your hard drive. Select Start, Settings, and then Apps. Review the app list for applications that you no longer use, want, or no longer need. Do not uninstall an application if you are unsure what it is. Uninstalling critical applications might cause your computer to not run correctly. Select the application to uninstall, select Uninstall, and then uninstall again. Follow the on-screen prompts to remove the software. Return to the Apps and Features list and repeat this process to remove any other applications from your computer. With all desired software uninstalled, restart the computer to use the freed disk space.